Today I'm going to show you how to remove your pump to your windshield washer fluid. Gotta remove or move this clip right there. Plug that hole with your finger. You also need to unclip this right here. So now you just pull on that and it pops out. And you want to plug that hole so you don't lose all your washer fluid. So demonstrate here. I plugged the hole. I grabbed the new sensor. Or pump. Pump or sensor, same thing. Kind of messing up right here. See? Got the pump in place. Now I plug that hose in. That one right there. So now that's in place. Take my connector and plug that in. If I can find it. Oh, there it is. So I plugged that in. Now let's go test this thing out. Blum 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 blum. Oh, look at that. It works. I knew it. For more tips and tricks on Volkswagen stuff, be sure to like, share, and subscribe here so you don't miss any content. I got a lot more Volkswagen videos and car videos in general. Peace out, Gap City Squad.